guys, hi, I'm Carly D from Skip Day. Today I'm going to be doing a clean with me routine. So yeah, as you can see, we had a pretty messy week this week. Today is only one day and we're going to get started. We're going to do it a little bit different. I'm going to clean the kitchen and then I'm going to clean my bedroom. And that's pretty much going to be it for today because I don't want to make the video too long and drawn out as I'm running short on time and I just want to get moving. Okay, so I'm back and this is my room. With God all things is possible or are possible. And this is the bed and that is the mess. So I'm going to be straightening up my room today because I do share this room with other people in the household and we use it as like a laundry command station. And I sleep on the floor. And my man's like a little piggy, I am. And anyways, so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and clean it and let you guys watch me, okay? Okay guys, thanks for watching Carly G. I finally went ahead and finished my cleaning routine, and now I can rest and relax in the lap of luxury. Bye.